I've been going in Poundland and finding like storage containers for obviously for food. Poundland storage containers are really good. They're really good prices as well. And the ones that I've been collecting, so I got these ones. This comes in a 3-pack, like another one's in the kitchen. And this is my second time getting it, but I will say these are not, these ones only put light things in them. Yeah, put light things and don't over expand it because it will crack. So this is like my second time buying these. Yeah, these ones were like £2. Yeah, a 3-pack for £2, excuse me. These two I got. I really like this huge one. So I've got saltfish in the big one, and then I've just got like takeout chicken that was left over in this small one. These two come in a pack together. These two were £5. Like, yeah, £5 together. So yeah, this, I like this. This huge one is good. But with these two, I will say is that you can tell they're really good compared to this one, which is like really plasticky. This one you can tell is gonna last you a very long time. They feel so strong. I feel like a £5 for both. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, this feels really quality, and they're like this. Yeah, so they, yeah, you hear that. This one as well. Well, let me, like that. Yeah, and then this one I recently got. One is 9 litres. They do a bigger version of this, by the way. I'm gonna use this one to store food still, but like semolina. So yeah, this, and it's the perfect size for the cupboard as well. And it's going to store a lot of semolina. I want like an aesthetically pleasing kitchen, because one of the things as well with the kitchen, I don't really like my kitchen. There's worse kitchens, okay? I'm grateful. And I believe that I can make it look nice. It's not a bad kitchen. So I've got to do things to make it look nice and like be organised. You know, and yeah, just that feeling of like you're in your kitchen, you know where everything is, nothing's a mess. There isn't that drawer with that multiple different stuff, screws, batteries. I want an organised kitchen. I was talking too much. Let me go and organise. Also, these were Poundland too. Like, they were individually sold, but like the lid for this can go on that. So I keep them for like whenever I use it. So here is the third one. As I told you before, it comes in a pack of 3. Also, I know I'm stacking it up like that just to show you, but you can actually, you can store all 3 of them like this. And then it goes in the cupboard perfectly. And also this one can just go at the top. Yeah, like that. So I wanted to show you guys I use this container for. So for example, like light stuff. So this is pork belly slices. Yeah, pork belly slices. If you know pork belly slices, they are really light. So yeah, I'm just gonna, I've seasoned it and I'm gonna pop it in the fridge. It's currently what? It's literally 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's just gonna marinate in the fridge. In the 9 litre storage box, I am going to store semolina course. Also, I'm going to use this cup because I had some extra cups, extra IKEA kids cup in the cupboard, and like I'm going to use this one so that when we are making the semolina, we can just have the fact that I can't lift that up, which is really good. That means it's that really sealed. Yeah, see, I like that. I like that. Like it's not one of those flimsy covers. Like you have to like put in some work to open it. So that's really nice to like keep the air contained. So yeah, this cup in there so that we can pour it when we're cooking it. So yeah, I really like that. So yeah, I like my little Poundland food storage arrangement I've got. Yeah, nice. As I said before, I need to go to B&M or Home Bargains to find some storage containers. I'm gonna look actually in the Home Bargains online and see like who's got the nicest home food containers, and or do you call them food jars mostly? Yeah. So this cupboard will be on a different video. I'll be tackling this area because I feel like it's time to like reorganize it. I just want those cupboards where when you open your cupboard, you feel like things are organized and it looks nice, and like you're calm about it as well, and you're not constantly thinking your kitchen is chaotic, you know.